Okay, so this is a demonstration of green filings, electronic service when filing in a San Diego civil case. So to save time here, I've already created a draft filing. I'm filing it on this case number, Yuri versus Alpha Chi Omega case in the San Diego Central Civil Court. I've uploaded my motion that I'm going to file, selected my filing party, confirm there's no additional data that the San Diego court requires. Selected my payment method. And now down here to the service contacts section. So we can see we've loaded the existing service contacts on this case. A bunch of these are Legal Connect and Rapid Legal emails, so I'm not going to serve all of them. I'm going to go ahead and deselect so I can just choose the ones I want to serve. So I'll just do these 3 service contacts. That way, these are all emails that come to me, so I can show you what those look like. Then we'll go ahead and select my filing attorney. The rest of these are optional fields, and we'll go ahead and submit our filing. So at this point, we're packaging up all the data and documents, submitting to the court. Hopefully in a second here, we'll be redirected to our filing status screen, and we'll see a filing status of pending, meaning it's pending the clerk's review. And in the test system, it does seem like things operate a little bit slowly. So we've been redirected here, and we just have to notice here that the filing is still in a processing state. Any second here, this should update to indicate the filing is pending. In fact, I can click this refresh link here. Yep, and there we go. So this highlighting one, here's the filing I just submitted. It's now pending the clerk's review. We also do insert this little envelope icon here that indicates that electronic service is in process for this particular filing. Now what we do is we go ahead and generate these electronic service notification emails right away. So as soon as this filing is pending with the court, we'll go ahead and generate emails to those service contacts, letting them know that these documents have been submitted and serving them a copy of those documents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over into my email. And in my mailbox here, any second, I should start seeing emails show up. I'll probably see some emails related to the status of my filing, and then after that, service contact emails. So let's give this a refresh. Oh, there they all are. So this email here is just indicating that our filing's been submitted. And then the next 3 emails here, these are the emails that were sent to each service contact, providing them a copy of the filing. So the subject is electronic service notification and provides the case number in the subject. If I open this first one here, we'll notice this has been sent to george+attorney@greenfiling.com. So that was the first service contact. Content of the email indicates that they've been served a copy of this document, gives them a little bit of case detail, what was served, who else was served, and then a button here or a link to actually view the document. So if I click this button, it's going to open a browser tab, and this takes us to basically our electronic service notification page. So again, at the top of the screen here, we just have some information about who was served and on what case. And then down here, we have a link to actually view the document. So you can see here's a link to view the document. We show a status of served, meaning the email has been sent and delivered to the service contact, but it has not been opened. As soon as the service contact clicks this link, then obviously they get to view the document. They can print, download, save, do whatever they need to do. And that's now their copy of the document. If I close this tab, notice now this says opened. So the status is served and the service contact has opened it. Now the nice thing about this page as well is that the service contact that was delivered also gets to see the status of service to the other service recipients. So the other service contacts that were on this filing are listed down here, and we show that they've been sent the email, but they've not opened it yet. So if I pop back over into my email, you'll notice here's the second service notification sent to the second service contact. So if I click this, notice this is a different person, george+ben@greenfiling.com, and it's the same email notification, but this one was sent to this particular attorney, and now they can go ahead and accept service. So if I go ahead and click accept service, again, they get the same screen, but now they have the option to download the document for them. Indicates it's been served but not open. As soon as we click motion to continue, they get to view the document, download, print, whatever they want to do, and now it indicates it's been opened. Now they can also see that this other person that we opened earlier, they had been served and opened as well. Oops, I mean this person here. But the third person still hasn't opened it. So that's kind of a nice feature that they get to see the status of who all's been served and who's opened it. Now, as the filer, I can see that information as well. So if I go back to my filing and I click the filing ID to open it, I can scroll down to the service contacts section and I can see that for these two service contacts, it's been opened on this date and time. But for this service contact, it's just been sent. It's been delivered, but they've not yet opened the document. And of course, if I go back to my email, I can see that that third service notification is right here. If we open that up, it was sent to George plus Harold at Green Filing. So this was the third. If I go to accept service, view the document, now all three service contacts have opened the document. So I go back to my filing. If I just refresh this here, now I see that all three service contacts have opened the document. So that's how e-filing and e-service works in a nutshell with Green Filing. If they have any questions at all, feel free to contact me, George at greenfiling.com.